If you're looking to generate bulk QR codes easily, you're probably wondering how to do it quickly and efficiently using Unicode. In this video, we'll show you just how simple it is to create multiple QR codes in bulk with Unicode, and even better, we'll also compare it to some alternatives that might work better for your needs. Now, let's get straight into it. Unicode's bulk QR code generation feature is designed to help you create hundreds or even thousands of QR codes in just a few clicks. All you need to do is upload a file, choose the type of QR codes you want, and let Unicode work its magic. The first thing you'll notice is the user-friendly interface. It's pretty straightforward, even if you've never created QR codes before. You can upload a CSV file containing the data you want to turn into QR codes, whether that's URLs, contact info, or product details. Next thing, let's talk customization. Unicode offers a variety of options to tailor the QR codes to your needs. You can customize the color, size, and even add a logo in the middle of the QR code. This is great if you want to keep your brand consistent and make the codes stand out. The fourth thing worth mentioning is speed. Unicode does a decent job of generating bulk QR codes quickly. Depending on the size of your file, you could have hundreds of codes ready for download in minutes. However, for larger files or more complex data, there might be a slight delay. It's something to consider if you need fast, large-scale generation. Now, when it comes to integration, Unicode doesn't offer many advanced features. If you're someone who needs to track analytics or use QR codes in a more dynamic, integrated system, you might run into limitations here. While it's solid for basic needs, there's a lack of advanced functionalities that other platforms might offer. Which leads me to the alternatives. There are other tools out there that also let you generate QR codes in bulk, and some of them come with additional features that might be more useful for your business. One such alternative is QR Code Generator Pro. This platform offers the ability to track scans in real time and integrate your codes with marketing campaigns, something Unicode doesn't do. Plus, the interface is sleek, and it can handle larger files without any noticeable lag. The next alternative is QRestUFF. It's an easy-to-use tool that provides more flexibility when it comes to the types of data you can use to generate QR codes, such as email, phone numbers, or calendar events. While Unicode limits you to only certain types of QR codes, QRestUFF gives you a lot more freedom. But here's the thing, Unicode is great for basic QR code generation, especially if you don't need advanced features like tracking or integration. It works well for simple tasks, but if you're looking to elevate your QR code game with more control, reporting, and scalability, you might want to explore some alternatives. Now, for the best news, we've got an exclusive offer just for you. Through the link in the description, you can get access to an extended free trial for Unicode. And if Unicode isn't quite the right fit for you, don't worry, we've also got exclusive free trials for the alternatives we mentioned, which are packed with the extra features you might need. So, make sure to check out the link in the description for the best free trials and exclusive perks, available only to our viewers. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.